Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder, and we're going on with that beautiful gull wing. Okay, stage 27, as you saw right there, which is the oil tank, reservoir tank, same thing. And we've got all these stages and some lovely screws to put them together. So let's go and do that. So we're putting that one on first. We're putting that one on first right there with a EP screw. We're only using once. Once. And it's into plastic, so no need for oil to make it easier. Then that golden cap on top of it, that bracket in there like so, with an HP screw. That will go on like so. Have I put it onto the wrong one? I have. This one should go onto the one that we've not put that golden cap on. So they're right there. But it's no problem, we can take it out and put it back into. Need to check something, because I've got DHL coming in today. I cannot put it in the other way. That looks quite fine. Does not look fine. So I may have put the right one on the right side. It looked like I put them in the wrong way around. But if I look at it now, it looks more like what it should be on the pictures that I was looking at in the build guide. Now, so we've got the one without with that bracket and the one with more or less the same, and this looks like what they show on the picture to be the right position. So have a look at that. On the picture it shows that they're, if the golden cap is there, that they're moving that way, both of them, and I had them the other way around, so I could never ever put any of those on the chassis like that. These screws are going in now. We're putting those to the side because we're getting the car in on the side of the engine, but on this side. And I think I see where they go. Don't know if you can see that, but right there, there, and there are the brackets that we put together. So I'm going to put the ones underneath in first. That's not what they're doing, so let's try it their way. EM screws. I'm not going to fully tighten them up until I've got the ones in underneath in as well. That makes it just a little bit easier to put everything together. There we go. Alright, so let's turn this around and we're going to put those in. Oh, you can't see that, but right there are two screws. Maybe you can see it. And these are EMs as well. So let's put those in. EMs. Almost put NPs in there. All right. See, this way it all works fine. Let's tighten these screws up as well. All right, that's that tank. It's gone down again. Right there, all together with all those EM screws. So I'm going to put that to the side for a moment because we're working on these. We are going to put a little bit of glue around the edge, and I've still got that one here. All right, we've got that glued together. Now, let's see where that goes. Clipped in on that, and then a screw from underneath, and that is a NP. All right, that's in as well with that NP screw right there. You saw me put that in. The camera angles were fine. So we're going to 28. As you can see, 28. And then we put an HP in there. So that's in. First thing we do. Let's put my super glue, my favorite glue in there. All right, so we have that. And we're putting it onto the bracket right there. right there with how, what, why, like so. So the pin goes on that side, that must be on that side, and then we're going to put a KP from underneath. Can't use my Kingdom. All right, let's turn it around and show you what's happened. We put that one on, and I think that's it for 28. We're going to 29. As you can see right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a lot of bags of EMs. I have those. All right. We're going to put that aside, get that one out, and we're going to put that into the back of the car. So let's turn this around. It already shows you how to put it in because these edges are in an angle. All right, let's get the GMs in first because they are the ones that come from this side in. And let's get another one out and put it on this side. All right, then we turn it around and put two HMs into those positions that we see right there. We're going to get the cloth out again because I want to protect the engine right there. And these are H. Yep. All right, I've almost knackered that screw head, but I need to be standing for this. All right, let's sit down again. We're taking that one out and putting it into those 3 points there, and then last point is screwing it in right there. All EMs, so let's put one EM in first to keep that bracket in, and EM there and there as well with oil on the tip because we're still going into metal, and that makes it a whole lot easier. Then we're going to put that aside and put these two together like so. Then put MPs, these thick ones, put them together like so. Now we're going to put this onto the car, and I think it's right here, and these are CMs, but they're going this way around. All right, and that is in, and that's it for these stages. So what have we mostly done? I can't remember. We put that oil tank on, we put this, we put this tank on, we put that tank on, we put that tank on, we put that on, and this bracket here as well. That is the last stage. I do stage 29, I think. Yep. Hope you like that. That is coming together quite nicely. This is pack 5 that I'm splitting up into different videos, but I hope you like it. As I said, please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this beautiful car, and hope you will join me then. Thank you very much. Bye bye.